All right, everybody. Thanks for coming back and checking out our video today. I'm going to show you how to wash your car if you don't have a pressure washer set up. And this is really good in the winter too. So like if you want to wash your car in the garage, if it's warm in there and it's not, snowing outside, this is a good way to do that. If you don't have a pressure washer, just how to get some foam on your car and without a pressure washer. So let's get into it. All right, guys, so what you're gonna do is pick up one of these. I think Adams has them, Chemical Guys has them, Griot's has them. It's basically a foam gun. It's not a foam cannon, it's a foam gun. This one's made by Torque, and it has the Chemical Guys branding on it. So you just fill up some soap up to here, the rest with water. I have GSF in here from Coach Kimmy. I've never used that in here. I actually haven't used this thing in years because this is really good too if you're traveling, if you're going to visit some like family or something and you never gonna want to wash your car but you can't bring your pressure washer. This is really good for that. Just throw it in a bag, throw your soap in there and you're good to go. So I have it in here, it's already mixed up. Now one thing I want to do is I'm gonna spray some waterless wash on here first just because it's really dusty, full of pollen, stuff like that everywhere. So I'm going to throw some waterless wash on it first. But the main thing out of this video is how to get foam without a pressure washer. So here we go. I'm going to foam it down with this waterless wash stuff because I don't use waterless wash. I'm not a fan of waterless washes. This is from Revy. Never even heard of it. It's free. Got given to me. So I'm just going to spray this all over my car. And it's kind of like a base pre-wash type deal here. I love this trigger on this thing, actually. Holy cow. I've never used this. It's got a great trigger. Smells good. I'm going to use this as a pre-wash. We're going to spray it all over the car, and then we're going to hose it down. I'll show you guys how to use one of these foam cannons. It attaches to your garden hose, too, so you don't have to worry about having some fancy attachments, nothing like that. It goes straight on your garden hose, and you're good to go. Just gonna let that break down for just a second. And by a second, I literally mean 1 second. So, all right, so you're gonna take this. I got my product in here. Again, this is Coach Kimmy GSF Torque Foam Blaster 6 or something like that. I've had this thing forever. Attach it on there, just like that. Boom, connected. And it comes with the attachment for the water hose. So that's all you can do with that, and you spray it on the car. And so I'm going to rinse it down now. All right, I'm gonna start on that side. Now these foam cannons have different settings that you can use to produce more or less foam, same as a regular foam cannon that goes on your pressure washer. So control them on the very top. Some of them don't have adjustments. Some of them you just get what you get. So, all right, here we go. Time to foam it down. I've not used this in years. I hope this works. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's also a great alternative if you live somewhere that has like noise ordinances and you can't use pressure washers. So there you go. It made amazing foam. And I usually dump the rest in there, and there isn't any. And then you want to spray this out just like you would your regular foam cannon. Clean it out. So great alternative to a pressure washer. Now we're going to get to the wash phase, contact wash. Now this video here again is only for the foam cannon. It's not really about how to wash your car or nothing like that. So yeah, just shows you how to use, if you don't have it, a pressure washer or noise ordinances, things like that. You're going to wash it in your garage and you're afraid that you're going to spray soap all over your walls or something like that. You can do it this way. I prefer the foam cannon on the pressure washer, but there's nothing wrong with doing it this way as long as you do what like I'm doing and really soap it down. Get you some good lubricity on there so you don't put any unwanted swirls or scratches or anything like that in your paint. And on these ones here, I do like to do a pre-wash, a rinse, you know. You don't normally would do that with like your foam cannon that's attached to your pressure washer. You could just spray it like your product on as a pre-rinse and then do your contact wash. But yeah, here we are though. This wash mitt I got from the Rag Company. I love this wash mitt, my favorite. It's time saving too because you don't have to sit there and worry about getting your pressure washer out. You know, it's less things to get out. Also, I highly suggest using a 2-bucket method on this. If you did it this way, you don't have to. That's just, I'm paranoid about everything, so. I'm currently not doing it, as I said that out loud. Just out of habit. I'm used to not doing it because I use pressure washer with the foam that gets it all off. So I have a grit guard in the bottom down here, so I make sure I catch all that dirt I'm bringing back in there to rinse off. Almost done already, so it's significantly faster as well. It's a good way, a good alternative to pressure washer, so you don't have to spend all that money on a pressure washer. Some of them can be very pricey. So it's a very good alternative to that. Now, when I was at my dad's, I was in the middle of moving. I had my GTR up there, and I did use this up there. So it goes back to what I was saying about if you're visiting like family for an extended time, or you're going on a little road trip and you know you're gonna have access to a garden hose. This is a great way to do this. Great way. Let's go. All right, and she's washed, and you just go back to hosing it down. I mean, it's that simple, that fast. You ain't got to worry about all these different contact points. You got to disconnect and reconnect and stuff. Easy peasy. All right, y'all, that's it for this video. I'm gonna dry it off. Y'all know how I do that if you watch my videos. So there's no reason for me to film the rest of that. That's just blank space, void filling. So we're not gonna do that. But yeah, car's clean. You can see that even with the water on it, it's clean. I mean, it does a great job, does the same thing that the foam can does. It doesn't put the lather on there quite as good. The foam doesn't clean as long, so you gotta move faster, in my opinion. So yeah, but hey, look at that water beading on there. That ceramic's awesome, right? That PPF. Yeah. Anyway, guys, like the video, comment. If you have anything you want to say, you know what to do. Drop it in the comments. Like the video, share the video. Until next time, guys. See y'all. Bye.